Now that we've created our first table and added fields to it, we can now work with the table view. In the table view, you can add all the fields that you want to display about the record. To add a new field, please click on the first row, the title row, and add Show Column. For example, if you want to add the ID of this client and the image, you can just put Show Column and select the field that you want. If you wish to hide a column, you can simply click on the field and hide the column. This will not be deleting the field. In the table view, you can adjust the size of the columns by clicking on the line and dragging it to the position that you want. In the same way, you can adjust the rows. To add a new record, you can click on the plus button below the table or on the plus button on the right corner. So let's click on New Record, and here you're creating a new record for your client. So let's put here Client 2. It's also a new contact created today. Client 2. And another record. You can also modify the data of your record by double-clicking on the field and working on it as a table view. So, if we want to select this and put it as a client, we can do it directly on our form. To open the pop-up view again, we can click on the arrow button on the right side of the screen. In our table view, we can filter our record, sort them by ascending or descending, do some simple calculations, for example, count, to count our records, or sum if there was a number field, and group our records. If we group our records, we're going to be able to see a group according to the field that is selected. So, for example, here we see that we have one record set as new contact and two records set as clients. We can ungroup it by clicking on this button again. In the same way that we can add new records in our table, we can also delete them directly from here by clicking on the record that we want and assigning if we want to delete multiple records. So it is possible to delete many records at once. To create a new view, you can click on this button and add a new view that you need. This view can be a table, form, chart, cards, Kanban, Gantt, or pivot. You can then assign what are the fields that you wish to display in this specific view.
Ninox.